Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best positioning squares is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any workshop, but trust me, they're a game changer. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker, a DIY enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates precision, getting those perfect 90-degree angles is crucial. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of positioning squares, exploring their uses, and helping you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Woodworking Right Angle Clamp Set of 8. This clamp makes it easy to create precise 90-degree angles. It's essential for ensuring your woodworking projects are balanced and accurate. With this tool, your work will be much easier. Made with high-impact plastic, this clamp is both lightweight and durable. The ABS material ensures optimal usability, making it a great addition to any workshop. This set includes two combinations of sizes, 3 and 4 inches, to accommodate various workpieces. It's applicable to any thickness of wood, providing flexibility for different projects. Use this clamp to create square boxes, drawers, cabinets, and more. Many woodworkers also find it useful for jigs and fixtures. This tool will greatly improve your efficiency. This clamp makes it quick and easy to secure your workpieces. It simplifies the process of gluing and assembling, saving you time and effort. It's a must-have for any woodworker. What we like. This set uses lightweight ABS material, making it easy to handle. It comes in two convenient sizes, perfect for various projects. If you're working on different sized frames or boxes, this is a great choice because it offers versatility and ease of use. What people say. Lightweight but solidly built. Different sizes, all quality product. The different sizes have a wide range of applications. The positioning squares did exactly what they were designed to do until the glue dried. Frame came out perfectly square. Number 4. HARDELL 5.5 Right Angle Clamps for Woodworking. This clamping square kit ensures perfect 90-degree angles. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, it's durable and resistant to rust and corrosion. It's built to last for years of use. Simply place this square in the corner and secure it. The beveled edges prevent damage, making it easy to create perfect angles. It's like having an extra hand in your workshop. This tool is perfect for assembling boxes, drawers, and cabinets. It also features precise graduations, allowing it to be used as a ruler. It's great for squaring up projects. Designed to assist in leveling during bonding, it works with clamps to position joints at right angles. This practical tool simplifies your woodworking projects, making them easier. This 5.5-inch corner clamp set is a great choice for woodworking projects. It's suitable for wood boards up to 9/16-inch thick. The gift box packaging makes it a unique gift for any woodworker. What we like. Made from durable aluminum alloy, this square ensures accurate 90-degree angles. It's incredibly easy to use, simplifying your woodworking tasks. If you're looking for precision and ease of use in your projects, this is the perfect tool to help you achieve professional results. What people say. Do an excellent job. Keep the pieces square. They work great and hold the wood securely. Perfect repeatable placement of wood means I can operate the machine on many consecutive pieces without having to do alignment for each piece. Number 3. Mocoum 4.7 Aluminum Alloy 90-degree Positioning Square. This 90-degree positioning square is crafted from aluminum alloy, ensuring both durability and lightweight handling. The anodized red surface provides excellent corrosion resistance, making it a long-lasting tool. This tool is designed to create perfect 90-degree angles, saving you time and ensuring accurate results in your woodworking projects. It's an essential tool for balanced project outcomes. The built-in ruler features clear inch and millimeter scales, allowing for precise length measurements and accurate positioning. This feature enhances the tool's versatility. This right-angle jig set is perfect for assembling boxes, drawers, cabinets, and frames. It's also useful for DIY projects and can even be incorporated into jigs and fixtures. This unique tool can be clamped on both the inside and outside corners of your workpiece. Secure it with an F-clamp or C-clamp, not included, for a firm hold. What we like. This square is constructed from durable aluminum alloy, ensuring longevity. It features a clear scale ruler for precise measurements. If you're a woodworker who values accuracy and versatility, this tool will be a valuable addition to your workshop. What people say. They are perfect for squaring blades, fences, miter gauges, cabinet corners. They even have holes that allow them to be used as temporary corner supports by screwing them to the stock. Measurements are easy to read. Number 2. Relitec 90-degree corner clamps, 3/4. This is the upgraded design of the adjustable fixing block. It ensures optimal durability and is lightweight. It makes your work easier. With these clamps, building squares like cabinets, boxes, and picture frames becomes easy. It holds planks square while glue is drying or fixing. The clamps include 3-inch and 4-inch sizes. This is great for working with framed woodwork projects of different sizes. They are versatile and easy to use. These Relitec positioning squares are made with high-impact ABS plastic. This construction ensures optimal durability and is lightweight. You can rely on them for your projects. It's a breeze to create precision 90-degree right-angle woodwork. You can quickly and easily clamp on the squares. This makes your woodworking projects more accurate. What we like. This product features an upgraded design for enhanced performance. It includes 2 different sizes, catering to various project needs. If you're looking for a tool that simplifies building square structures like cabinets and boxes, consider this one. What people say. I use these for securing a small keepsake box and they worked perfectly. The trick is that you don't need to crank them down so hard that they break, just tighten them enough to hold your pieces together. Very nice product, easy to use. I have numerous corner clamps and like these a lot. Seems like some corner clamps work in certain situations and these are for kinda larger projects. Number 1. 90-degree aluminum alloy positioning squares 4.7 blue. These 90-degree positioning squares are perfect for ensuring accurate right angles. They are ideal for woodworking projects, picture frames, and more. This tool helps you achieve precise corners every time. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, this square is built to last. The sturdy construction ensures it can withstand regular use in any workshop. You can rely on it for years to come. Use it for assembling cabinets, drawers, and other projects requiring perfect squares. Its design makes it easy to clamp and hold pieces securely. It is a must-have for any carpenter or DIY enthusiast. The 4.7 x 4.7 size provides ample support for various projects. It ensures your corners are perfectly aligned, saving you time and effort. This will greatly improve the quality of your work. Simply clamp the square to your pieces and secure them. The blue color makes it easy to see and position. It is a simple yet effective tool for achieving professional results. What we like. This set is made of durable aluminum alloy, ensuring it lasts. It's designed for easy use, helping you achieve accurate right angles. If you want a reliable tool that delivers precise results, this is a great option. What people say. Works for what I needed, used some smaller clamps, and got my project square. Had to build a large floating frameless bathroom vanity, and these were a huge help ensuring square. Exactly what I needed for small wooden boxes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.